Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Caresmith Charge Hammer Handheld Percussion Manager. There's an illustration of the massager on top. As you can see, this is a pretty standard looking handheld massager. We have a couple of more information. It comes with 2 intensity levels. It comes with a powerful 28-watt motor and it's lightweight and comfortable to handle. Over here it says it comes with 2 special attachments along with the usual one. These are the regular massage head for everyday use, fork attachment, dual trigger points for deep tissue massage, and spike attachment, which is low impact for gentle relaxing massage. That's all the information on this box. I will open this and show you what's inside. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. First let's take a look at the documents. So this is the warranty card from Caresmith, and this is additional 6 months warranty for the same product. This is of course the user manual for the Caresmith Charge Hammer Handheld Percussion Massager. It comes with a lot of information. It tells you how to use, what are the different components, and there's also manufacturer information as well along with warranty. So this is also an important document, you should not lose this. Now let's take a look at the massager. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this blue and white color scheme. It's made out of plastic, ABS plastic. There is a 28-watt motor right over here, so this part is pretty chunky and heavy. This comes with an ergonomic and sleek design as well. It's a very good looking massager, I must say. This is the standard head that it comes in, and this is the power cable. What I'm going to do, I will attach the power cable to a power source so I can try this massager out right now. Let's do that. There's almost a little more than a meter long flat TP power cable, as you can see, with a 2-pin jack on one end. So let me power this up. So there you go. There's a Caresmith logo and just one button. So this is the power button that comes with 2 intensity levels. So this is 1 intensity level and this is the second. If you push up, this is the stronger one, and this is the weaker one, and you can obviously switch between them. This massager also comes with 2 attachments. First we have the spike attachment. This is for, gentle relaxing massage. So just put it up over here like so. Let me just put it in properly and then you're good to go. There you go. And the second one, let me just take this out first. Second one is this fork attachment. This is basically for deep tissue massage. So this too goes on top like this and then it's good to go. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Caresmith Charge Hammer Handheld Percussion Massager. Thank you for watching.